Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel Made by Yuma. In today's tutorial we are going to see about how to make a beautiful crochet earring. So let's see the things we would need. We would need an anchor thread, pearl cotton thread size 8 and a crochet hook of size 1 mm. You can use anywhere between 0.5 to 1 mm crochet hook and scissors. Then you would need the earring pin. So alternatively you can use a hook as well. So you will also need the loops to connect the top and bottom part of the earring. So we would need some beads of small size and also fabric glue towards the end of this project. So let's get started by taking the tail end of the thread and make a magic ring. So then make chain 2, then make a double crochet into the magic ring, then make another double crochet into the magic ring. So the first 2 chains are considered as one double crochet, if you see. So we need to make about 12 double crochet into the magic ring. So go ahead and make the remaining double crochets and I'll meet you once I'm done with the 12. So here I have completed 12 double crochet, and let's connect this end point with the beginning by making a slip stitch into the very first chain. That is, we need to consider the third chain from the base and insert the hook to make a slip stitch. So if you are a beginner, then I would recommend you to watch my videos on Crochet Basics, where you would learn how to make a chain, single crochet, double crochet and slip stitch, etc. So now let's get started with round 2. For round 2, start making chain 3, then make a single crochet into the next chain space. Then make chain 3, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, and then into the next chain space make a single crochet. So again make chain 3, and a single crochet into the next chain space. So this is the pattern we're going to follow all throughout this round 2, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So friends, I'm completing the last chain of this round, that is a single crochet. Then make chain 1 and pull the thread to about 2 inches long, and then you can cut the thread. So set this aside and let's work on the second part. So take the tail end of the thread, bring it around the index finger and insert the hook through the loop. Then grab the yarn and pull through the loop. This forms a magic circle. Then continue to make a chain 3 here, chain 1, chain 2, and chain 3. Now let's make a triple crochet into the magic circle. For that, yarn over twice, insert into the magic ring, grab the yarn, pull through the magic ring. Now we have 4 loops on the loop. You have to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops and repeat this for 2 more times. So this forms a triple crochet. So the first 3 chains we created, right, that itself is considered as one triple crochet. So in total we need to make 12 triple crochet in this round. So let's go ahead and make the remaining triple crochets, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So guys, I've made 12 triple crochet, and let's shrink the center part by pulling the tail end. And now let's count chain 3 from the bottom, and insert the hook into that chain to make a slip stitch, and this forms the circle. Now let's work on round 2. Start with chain 4, then make a triple crochet into the same chain space where we created chain 4, and then make chain 1, then make a triple crochet into the next chain space, then make chain 1, and then make a triple crochet into the next chain space. In this chain space we need to make 2 triple crochet, so make chain 1 and a triple crochet in the same chain space. So the pattern is alternate chain spaces we need to make an increase, that is 2 triple crochets, and there should always be one chain in between each of the triple crochet. So let's continue with this pattern and end this round. So guys, I have completed round 2 here, and I'm gonna make the slip stitch into the very first stitch. That is, you have to find the fourth chain from the base and insert the hook into that chain space and create a slip stitch there. So this completes round 2. So this circle is a bigger one as compared to the first. Then continue to make chain 3, and then make a single crochet into the next chain space, then make chain 3, and then a single crochet into the next chain space. So this is the pattern we're gonna follow all throughout this round, and I will meet you at the end of this round. So friends, I have completed the pattern here. I'm working the last single crochet, and now let's make a chain 1 and start inserting the bead into the crochet hook. Then grab the yarn, pull through the bead and also through that loop we had, Now make chain 1 and then into the next space make a slip stitch. So this is how we will add a bead. So let's work on the next bead. Insert it into the needle and then yarn over, pull through the bead as well as the loop, then make chain 1 and then make a slip stitch into the next space. So this holds the bead very firmly, and this is the pattern we are going to follow to add the remaining beads. Here I am planning to add 9 beads, so that will be like 3/4 of the circle. So I will show you how it looks after 9 beads are added. So here I am adding the last a bead, that is the ninth bead, and completing the slip stitch. So then make chain 1 and pull the thread to about 1 or 2 inches long, and then you can cut it off. So now we need to make a mini circle to get it attached to the earring pin. So for that, make a magic ring and make chain 2. So chain 1 and chain 2, then make a double crochet into the magic ring, another double crochet. So continue to make 12 double crochet in total. So friends, I have made 12 double crochet, and we are gonna connect it to the beginning stitch. Insert the hook into the very first chain stitch and grab the yarn and pull through the loop we have on the hook. This is a slip stitch. So pull the tail end to shrink the size of the circle and then pull the thread to about 2 inches long and cut the thread. So let's apply some glue to the flip side of this circle, and we would also apply the fabric stiffener to the circles, to two other circles we just made. So let it all dry. Keep it aside for about 10 to 15 minutes until they're completely dried out. And then we can cut the excess yarn at the flip side. So while applying the glue or the stiffener, make sure you uh, bring in the tail ends to get attached to the flip side. So now the circles are dried out. I'm cutting the excess threads. So apply glue to the back side of the earring pin and fix it to the circle we made. So then apply some more glue on the top surface and then attach the top top circle we made and give it a good press and let it dry. Don't disturb it until it is completely dried out. So let's take the bigger circle and find the center part of the circle and attach the earring hook. So bring in the dried out top part and attach it to the hook. So that's it, our beautiful and stylish earring is ready. So I'm sure you guys like this earring pattern because it is the current trend. You can see most of the girls are wearing this type of earring, so I just wanted to try one using the crochet thread, and it has come out really well. And please share it with your friends and family if you really like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you want to see more such videos from my channel, and keep supporting my channel and show some love by commenting your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial and have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye bye.